Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm on Evan TGM.
It's my YouTube channel.
Yep, and we just got the app for stuff, so now we're going to play some
What's that kidsy thing?
Firewater and
Fireboy.
Water Girl.
Because why not? Which one will we play? Number 3?
Let's just play number 2.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh yeah, I pressed saved from that, didn't it?
I think so. I don't know.
Okay, so which keys am I again?
Oh, we have to switch sides.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
So which keys am I again?
There's just the arrows.
Okay. So this. These. Let me see. These ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, which one? So up is to jump.
1 second.
Okay, is up to jump, left or right for right, and left for
Yeah,
left.
it's just everything. It's just
Okay.
normal. Okay,
Alright.
we've been recording for 1 minute trying to do this.
Wow.
Okay.
My voice sounds so bad on audio.
How would you why would you want to quick flash? Allow. Let's play.
Can we just play already?
It's loading now.
Like, this is probably gonna be the worst video that's ever been posted.
Let's just close that. I have my jingly keys here.
What's your name?
Baby girl, what's
What?
your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink.
Okay.
Let's play. Woo!
I don't think it's working. Yay, it's finally working.
Cool mustache.
So, I'm Fireboy, the noob, and he's Water Girl, probably the best. Why do these people even go together?
I don't know. Okay. So it might be a bit laggy because we are making a video and we are not meant to be streaming. This laptop wasn't meant for streaming.
Okay,
But you know what? It's fine. This is the worst.
I'm really bad.
It's like the worst screen recorder we've had, so like it's easiest to use and it's like pretty good actually. Like because we didn't have enough space, so we deleted some stuff to get the old version of this, but like my head got stuck.
Alright, I'll go and do that stuff. You step on the button. Alright, don't step on the button now. Yeet.
Hello? And then when you're done, you just press that pause button in the corner right there. You see that?
Yeah, I do. Should we even be saying that? I am strong boy. Hurry up.
I'm coming. My keys
Don't
are
forget
broken.
to grab some diamonds.
Why red diamonds? Like, I don't get why.
I don't think they're even diamonds. I think they might be
like
rubies.
Yeah.
Wait, why am I? Oh, my hand was on the key.
Oops. It looked like I jumped on top of the door and like stayed there.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter about our rank, okay? Let's just play.
Don't bully us in the comments.
Wait, let's just like zoom in a bit. Yeah. Zoom. Yeah,
I can barely really see it.
We can like.
Alright, there we go.
There, this is good. I almost walked into the fire right there.
Wait, shouldn't you just put out the fire? Wouldn't you be immune to it?
No, we
technically?
both turned into obsidian.
Yeah, Minecraft logic. It's real. Obsidian is actually real.
Yeah, I know. No
Yay!
Sherlock.
Don't call me Sherlock, bro.
I'm as smart as your mom.
Okay.
Hold that button. Can I do these planks bit first?
That was Indiana Jones right there.
Okay, I know how to do this bit, but not really. So we need
really, but not really. I'm just gonna.
Okay, let's.
I just kind of.
Let's just play a different game.
Yeah.
How about? We just. Oh my god, I have a really good idea. Oh, that's a gun.
For gun? What's for gun?
Gun Mayhem 2. This is the best game of 2016.
Is it 2-player?
Yep.
Okay. Just tell me who I am.
I mean, you get to choose your character.
Yay. Can I be red?
Yeah. You get to choose your clothing, you get to choose your weapons, you get to choose what color you want to be.
This isn't going to be just a gaming channel, it's just going to also be animations.
Play. Pop. Skidoo. Pop. Shut up, Evan.
Okay. Fair enough. That totally did hurt my feelings.
You're a weirdo.
I know.
We've been doing this for 5 minutes.
Yeah, this YouTube channel has been doomed from the start.
Yeah, we made it today. I and Evan's mom made it.
Yeah, we finished our science project, by the way. We have a calculator beside us for some reason.
Like bubbles.
Don't say that.
Okay,
Are you
fine.
serious?
This ad is so long.
I know. Don't say long. Long?
I have lungs, bro. See? Hello. Let's play.
Okay.
If I were a toy, there's only one place I'd be. I'd be soaring like a bee.
Armor games. On God.
Oh, I remember that music. That's so OG.
OG.
Only late 20 kids
Can they
would
see
remember
us?
that.
Can they see
Nope.
us? Okay. Good.
Because,
I'm ugly.
okay, so do you want to do just you and me or
Just me and you.
okay, against each other or like against some bots?
Against some bots, because I'd be way too bad.
No, bots are actually really strong. Let's just do custom.
I don't want to go against you. You're probably a pro. And is it the same keys?
Yep.
Okay. Please tell me we're not against each other.
Do you want to do like
I want jetpack.
jetpacks? Okay.
Which keys do I need to use?
What map do you want to do? Like all maps, random maps. Well, just like this, Evan.
Castle. Ooh, I want castle.
We have to see all of them.
That.
This one?
No, the one before that.
Oh, Safari Show done.
Yeah.
Let's check a few more.
Or maybe the house. That one's cool. Coliseum. Underwater slaughter?
Which one do you do? Castle?
No. Underwater slaughter.
Let's just do random.
Castle. Okay.
Okay, this is me.
Wait, okay.
And you add human player. Okay, now I'll customize me first. So I want a pumpkin on my head because it's coming close to Halloween.
Obviously.
My face is gonna be mustache because you know my boy.
You can't even see it.
Wait, then I don't want to.
Wait, can they see the games that we play?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I have no hair. Wait, I need hair. I need hair. I need hair. There's no hair? Top hat. Let's go. Shirt. Let's be a basketball player.
No, be a caveman with a top hat and a mustache.
No shirt, bro.
No,
I'm
God.
Kung Fu Master. Okay, now my color is
I want to be Kung Fu Master.
Okay, now the gun, we all know that.
I want that gold Desert Eagle. I have never played this before, by the way.
I like the snake, and I'm gonna be Bubs.
Bubs?
Wait, I need a perk, cause
What's a
if
perk?
you don't get a perk, then you're gay. So I'm gonna get 100% chance of getting a shotgun, infinite pistol ammo, minigun.
Just minigun. just
Okay, your turn
minigun.
to customize yourself.
Okay, hat. Let's see, hat. Is that a good idea to be blind?
You can be like a full-on ninja.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to be like.
Then what is your
face
gonna be? Like,
it's gonna be with
well,
sunglasses. Just
yeah.
sunglasses. Whoa, could I be blind? Maybe.
And then yeah, you should change your color to white.
Okay. Shush.
Kung Fu Master. I look like I'm in a robe.
What's this?
No,
That looks like a red robe, like almost. Okay, and color. I shall be. Ooh, I know a good name. The Blind Bandit. Bandana.
You choose whatever gun you like.
Ninja with a gun. Who knew? Perk. I want 100% chance of getting a shotgun. All right.
Wait.
Yeah. Can you do the? Right.
I'll start. So what do you want?
Blind Bandit.
Blind
Totally not from Avatar, by the way.
Bandit.
That's totally not from Avatar.
Okay, so I'm using WSD. Okay, now no shooting
Wait,
at
hold
each
on.
other yet.
Wait, I don't know how this
We have
works
to
though.
switch control. We have to switch.
Wait, what? Oh, I'm you. I am the Blind Bandit.
Okay, so
Wait,
now
what keys am I? I don't
wait,
know.
you're the WSD. Let me just.
W-A.
Oops.
Wait,
Don't come up to me. Don't come up to me. Evan, just hold your fingers like this.
Okay, well, could you get me to that ball?
1 second. And what's my shooting attack? It's yours. Here's mine.
I want this box.
Wait, Evan,
Oh,
don't kill me
shotgun.
yet. I need to figure out my shooting weapon. Oh, Z and. Oh, that's really complicated.
Wait, can I just. Now can I play?
Oh my god! Bang, bang,
Bang!
bang, bang!
Wait, how am I? What do I shoot with? How do I shoot?
You press T and Y, I think.
See ya.
I think you press T and Y.
T
Evan.
and Y. Where's T? Where's T?
Stop
I'm
moving
looking
my
for T.
finger.
Ah!
Yeah, you have T and Y. Y is for dynamite.
Q.
I just asked the map.
Hey, why are you using my keys?
No, these are my keys. I have to press Z and X for my shooting. Oh, crit! I need minigun! Minigun!
How do I jump again? I'm a noob.
You hold W
Oh, okay.
for your jetpack.
Minigun! See? Oh, no. Nope, nope. Where's W? How do I move to the other way? D. And W. I'm too bad at this game. I'm way too bad.
Oh, I got a kill. Now we only have 10 lives, and we have like 3
Dude,
minutes left in the video.
Yeah.
Well, I can minimize myself.
Wait, hold on. I'm bad at this game, okay? Take it easy, bro. Where's your love?
Ah, Mini!
Ah, just gotta press buttons. That's actually what I'm doing. Where's T? Where's T? Hey, where's T?
T is there, you
Oh, come at me, bro. Come at me. Come at me. I have a
idiot.
gun.
Boy, friendship be like.
How do I jump again? Oh yeah. I am a place one master. Wait, where's? T. Okay. It's not a good idea to be blind in a fight. Wait, how do I move forward? I forgot how I move
Well,
forward.
why did my gun just like drop?
How do W?
A to move forward.
Oh, okay.
It's not that hard. It's exactly like the arrows, but different.
Evan,
Stop pressing buttons.
I'm not pressing buttons. Yeah, I am.
Wait, why am I moving?
Taste my
Money.
wrath.
Bro, you like dynamite? I got minigun, bro.
Oh, wait, I have dynamite? What?
Yeah, you press Y for dynamite. I have a sniper, bro.
Oh, I just shot myself off the map, I think.
No, I shot you.
Wait, okay.
You haven't killed me once, bro.
Well, maybe if you gave me a chance, I could. I don't think I've even shot you.
No, you have twice, though, but that's it.
Twice? Snipe. W!
You're about to
I'm W!
You're supposed to hold it.
I'm actually not dead yet. But I will be in a moment. Please don't hit me, please. Snipe.
Oh my god, no, there's a sniper.
Alright, I think we're done.
Oh yeah, our video ended.
Oh.